Hi, I'm Xteen. I challenged myself to cook something different every day for 30 days. Today's day 26, and it's time for a little treat. So I'm going to be making peanut butter miso cookies. I'm not gonna lie, I'm excited about the salty aspect that the miso is going to bring to these cookies. I'm a big fan of the salty and sweet combination. Salted caramel is probably my favorite fall flavor. And when I was a kid and I still ate meat, I used to sandwich pepperoni slices in between two chocolate chip cookies, and I thought it was a delicious little bite. That's how much I love salty and sweet. I'm going to be using the New York Times recipe. I've never made these before. Let's see how it goes. Hi, it's me from the future. So in a sick and twisted turn of events, some of the footage of me making these cookies got corrupted on my memory card and no longer exists. I am dead inside. Let me just catch you up to speed really quick. First, I mixed together the dry ingredients, which was just 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, now I'm going to cream together butter, sugar, and light brown sugar in the stand mixer for about 5 minutes until it's light and fluffy. This is white miso paste. And also this is peanut butter, obviously, and then I mixed that together until it was all well combined. This smells really good already. I'm going to scrape down the sides. Okay, I think we're done. I'm just gonna eat this. Now we're going to add 1 egg and vanilla extract, and mix until just combined. It's as if the ingredients just met each other. They're just still getting to know one another, but they are living together. Now we're going to mix in our flour mixture a little bit at a time, not all at once. We're gonna do it in thirds. And we're mixing on low. Okay, and this is our dough. So now, I've got this little bowl of sugar, and let me tell you, the New York Times recipe calls for demerara sugar, which I had never heard of before today, and I Googled it, and it seems like it's very similar to just sugar in the raw, which is what this is. Because I don't know where to find demerara sugar. It's not at the grocery stores near me. It seems kind of fancy, and I a little bit feel like the New York Times is just trying to flex on us, I'm gonna be honest. It seems a little pretentious. So anyway, we're using sugar in the raw, which the internet says can be used interchangeably with demerara sugar. And what we're gonna do is roll the dough into little balls with our hands, roll it around in the sugar, and put it on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Okay, and now we're at a crossroads. The New York Times says to put these in the refrigerator for 2 hours to even overnight. They really beg you to put them in the refrigerator for any amount of time. The recipe says even 15 minutes will help them firm up. And they also say the longer they're in the refrigerator, the more mellow the flavors will be. And my thought is, why would I want the flavors to be mellow? So I'm so sorry, I'm going to go my own way. I'm taking my own path, and I'm not gonna put these in the fridge at all. We're just gonna put them straight in the oven and bake them for 15 minutes to start at 350 degrees. Now that it's been 15 minutes, the recipe says to pull out the cookies and slam them against a counter. I believe this is in pursuit of flattening them out. But the top comment on the recipe says that flattening them with a spatula works just as well. So I'm gonna go with that method. And we're gonna put these back in the oven for 3 more minutes. The recipe says to slam them against the counter one more time, so I'm just going to give them another pat with the spatula. Stunning. Ooh, such good texture. This is going to be amazing with a glass of almond milk. These are going to be easy to eat. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end of the video and you're watching the little screen that I always put up while the video's ending and I'm asking you to subscribe, I guess I'll just ask you with my mouth too, in addition to the text that's on the screen. Subscribe! Thank you for watching. Bye.